in the past 2 to 3 days the price of crypto is pumping towards the upside, and my own trade is right now in profits. But today the price is dumping, as you already know, a huge red candle we have seen yesterday. Well, is it the time to book the profits or not? What is happening? I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Here I am on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and I hope you all remember I took a long entry here at $52,600 exact. Here I predicted it that when the price was dumping towards the downside, I predicted that it will fall at $52,600 because of a very important support zone right here from $50,700 to $52,600 approx, and price exactly got a support from here and got reversed towards the upside, and I did went long here. As I said, I kept on to my words. Currently my trade is in profits, and as you can clearly see, my first take profit was this, which was successfully hit. Second take profit was this, which was again successfully hit, and yeah, my third take profit for now is right here. Well, technically my third take profit is this level right here at $65,300, but if I zoom out, you can clearly see this downwards white trend line right here, and so there are chances price can make a resistance from here. That's why this is my third target for now. If it does a breakout, then obviously I will aim for 65,400, but right now, as you can clearly see, price is dumping towards the downside. Well, I think this is just a small correction and not a major dump, because you already know price was pumping towards the upside kind of parabolically and without any much retracement. So right now price is doing some retracement, and not, I would say, I am not expecting a huge dump towards the downside right now, because you already know price has entered in this important support and resistance zone right here, purple zone from $58,000 to $60,000, very important zone. This whole zone is a very important support and resistance for Bitcoin. So price is currently inside it. This means it is making it as a support for now. If the price dumps towards the downside from here, then it will again, high chances it can dump heavily, but for now I think the price is just having a normal correction and will again reverse towards the upside, and that's why I am still holding on to my trades. But yes, this is my stop loss for now. My stop loss is at approx $55,200. I am trailing my stop loss from now, so just remove this stop loss. So even if this trade goes against me and comes at $55,200 approx, still I will end up in profits only. So it is a risk-free trade for me, and yeah, I'm pretty happy for it. And so currently, let's see what happens. Price is pumping towards the upside. According to me, it will pump this week as well. Currently I'm on the Solana chart. If you remember, I am in a long position in Solana as well. So first of all, if I just get rid of this trend line for now, I hope you all remember this whole setup right here. I went long because of this support and this resistance trend line which acted as a support. I went long here at $1 to $3 and obviously at $1 to $1 as well. Here as well I went long. Well, currently I'm in profits. Solana trade is currently in profits right here, and yeah, if you all remember, my stop loss is somewhat over here. So if this trade dumps towards the downside, if the price of Solana dumps towards the downside, then for sure I will end up in profit only, and my trade will be fully 100% close. But still my trade is running, and let's see what happens. It is a very crucial point for Solana right now, because as you can clearly see, it is at the important white trend line support right here. This is a very important support, so I'm expecting to for Solana to get a support from here. Well, it all depends on Bitcoin only. If Bitcoin pumps, then every crypto will pump, and same vice versa. Now let me get back to this trend line right here. So what I am trying to show you is, if you focus on this trend line right here, Focus on this yellow trend line right here. You will clearly see price of Solana is in a little downtrend. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, kind of lower low I would say. Wait a second, kind of lower low here I would say, but okay. And now lower high. Well, let's see what happens, because as you all know, high, lower low, lower high, and a new lower low has not been made. If the price of Solana dumps below $108, $108, then only a new lower low will be made, or else no new lower low will be made. And as you already know, price reversed from $122 only. This means price is bullish right now, and I would say this week is very crucial for Solana. Why? Because you can clearly see there is not much space left for the price to move, because of this yellow resistance trend line and this white support trend line. So price will do a breakout or a breakdown according to me soon. It will explode in either upside or downside, but as I said in my Bitcoins analysis, I am expecting this week to be bullish. So I guess price of Solana can pump towards the upside, but let's see what happens. Currently I'm holding on to my trades, as I already told you. So guys, I hope you understand my analysis on Bitcoin and Solana. Bitcoin, I'm still in my long position, and I am trailing my stop loss on both Bitcoin and Solana, and I'm bullish on Bitcoin for this week. And let's see, I still expect the price to pump towards the upside, and if Bitcoin pumps, then obviously Solana will pump as well. And yeah, let's see what happens. For Solana, it is very crucial to do a breakout or a breakdown. It will do for sure, and let's see in which direction it explodes, because I'm trailing, as I said, I'm trailing my stop loss on both. So even if any of the trade goes against me, I will end up in profits only. So both of my trades are risk free, and that's how you have to manage your trades as well. And yeah, I hope you understand from my analysis. This is a quick short video, just my trade analysis right here, and my analysis on this week right here, what will happen and what will not happen according to me. You can do your own analysis as well. So I hope you learned from this video. Yeah. If you want to trade Bitcoin or Solana, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description for Bybit. You can create an account for free. If not, then you can just go on any search browser and you can just create an account on any exchange you like, but don't fall for any scams. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.